Welcome to this video guys. In this video I will explain you 5 different types of chamfers that are used in SolidWorks. So click on part and then click on OK. Here you need to specify unit first. You can work in millimeters or inches. I used to work in millimeters. And here specify the background to plane white. Select this front plane and click on sketch. Drop down this menu from here and select center rectangle. Make a center rectangle like this. Select smart dimension and now let's specify the length of each side 50 millimeter, and this is 50 millimeter as well. And since this is a center rectangle, so we need to specify only 2 dimension. Now let's click on extruded boss base and here specify the length of the third dimension, that is the height, 50 millimeter. Now let's assign some colors so that it look better. This is optional by the way. And now guys, here we have the option for the chamfer. You can select the chamfer from here, and here are the 5 different types of the chamfer. Here it's written chamfer types. Let's start with the first type of chamfer, where we need to define the angle and the distance. Here is the distance and here is the angle. We need to specify 2 different parameters. So I have selected this edge and here we need to specify the distance or the length. This right here is 7, and here we need to specify the degree or the angle. So this right here is for 60 degree. Let's check this box from here, and this chamfer is applied at 60 degree. If you want to change it, just right click and select this very first option, edit feature, and now let's change the degree, although you can change the distance as well. So I'm specifying 35 angle degree. The purpose of this is that you can change degree anytime. Now let's move on to the second type of chamfer guys, this right here, and here we only need to specify the distance. There is no option for the angle. So I'm selecting the edge, and this right here is only option for the distance. There is no option available for the angle. You can either specify the distance from here as well. This is pop-up option for the distance. So check this box from here. We are done with the 2 types, and now let's explore the third type of the fillet. This one. This is very interesting one. Here we need to specify this corner, and automatically the chamfer will be applied. We can select this equal distances, or either we can specify the distances one by one. Let me change the color of this so that it look better. You can visualize it better. This color is fine. And now if we want to change the distances, we can go to edit feature, and here we can specify 4 millimeter for this side for distance 1. For distance 2 we can specify like 8, or if we want to control it by ourselves, we can control it like this. So this is the third type of the chamfer that we used to apply in SolidWorks. Now let's move on to the fourth type. Fourth type of chamfer is only for the offset purpose, which means that we need to select this edge from here, and we only have to specify the offset distance. So we can specify the offset distance from here, and it's applied. We can change it from here as well, or from the edit feature as well. Now we are only left with the final type of the chamfer, which is this one, in which we need to select 2 different faces. So this is the this face, and then click on the other window and select the other face. In between this edge, it will be chamfered like this, and we can specify the parameter or offset distance from here. So that's all for this video, in which we have learned the different types of chamfers. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.